Welcome back. You're watching News X. My name is Vineet Malhotra. Well, we have accessed the FIR copy in the Nagpur horror case, revealing details of the police complaint registered after a 16-year-old girl was allegedly abducted and sexually assaulted. The FIR names 19-year-old Nirbhay alias Akash Madhav Pakhare as the main accused. Police have invoked serious charges, including provisions of the POSCO Act, along with charges related to kidnapping and sexual assault. Shweta, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to give us more details about this. Shweta, what more can you tell us about this case?
Right, Vineet. In fact, a shocking piece of news that emerged from Nagpur, Maharashtra is where a 19-year-old boy had kidnapped a 16-year-old girl. Remember, it's a case related to a minor girl, and police dealt with it in a very dramatic manner. In fact, when police went to rescue the minor, the accused, in fact, he had held captive of the minor girl, and the police, in fact, very safely rescued the girl. But the details which emerged are really shocking in nature. Firstly, to begin with, what are the charges? Now, police has invoked BNS section 137(2) that deals with the kidnapping kidnapping from lawful guardian. However, because the case is related to a minor, the POSCO cases and the sections related to it are missing in this FIR copy. We went through the FIR copy that we have exclusively accessed for our viewers. It deals about the incident, what happened on 2nd of August and how the police reached there and what did they actually witness. And the complainant in this particular case is the minor's father. Now, looking after the sensitivity of the case, we have understood that how this case was one of the most critical cases that Nagpur police from Hudeshwar has. In fact, they have dealt with this particular case. 19-year-old boy who hails from Thane belongs to a very well-to-do family. His father is said to be a doctor, and they live in Thane West area of Maharashtra. But here what we also understand is that this boy in question, that is the accused, who is identified as Nirbhay Pakhare, also known as Akash Pakhare. In fact, he used online platform to lure the girl who is minor, and again, while chatting and interacting with the girl, he ensured that their friendship becomes more intense. Later he went to Thane. Later he went to Nagpur. Vineet, not once. In fact, the boy had visited Nagpur couple of times. He purchased a knife from Nagpur, rented a place there, and he asked the girl to be present there. And while the minor had left her place, she belongs from Nagpur, and while she went there, she was held captive by this particular boy who is 19-year-old Akash Pakhare. While we also understand that police is trying to understand that what was his exact modus operandi, how many times did he meet the girl, and how many times they have they had their chat on various social media platform. What brings this case to a real sensitive case is that how a 19-year-old boy can kidnap a 16-year-old girl, keep her in the house for 24 hours, and of course the mental torture and the physical torture that the girl had to go through. And police is also trying to assess that was there any kind of web series or any kind of film did he see, and he got influenced by those web series or films. Also, when police had arrested this particular boy, he had some peculiar demands. While in the arrest, being in the jail, he complained about the dingy walls. He complained about he had no good place, rather no good mattress to sleep on.
Shweta, just stay with us.